again, class. So there are types of air that occur naturally. That, those are oxygen and wind. Okay, so types of air that occur naturally are oxygen and wind. Okay, so air can also cause damage. So air can also cause damage. It means that it will break your houses. It can cause to break the building. Okay, so let's get to know what are these um, um, disaster caused by the air. Okay, so again, air can also cause damage, right? So these damages or this type of disaster are called, the first one, hurricane. Okay, hurricane. Okay, or tornado. So this one in the picture, this picture is called hurricane, and the air is the one who caused this hurricane. Second picture, what do you think it is? Right, that is a sandstorm. Yes, that is a sandstorm. If there is a snowstorm in frozen, in the desert, there is a sandstorm. Okay? The last one, that is a typhoon. Okay, this typhoon is very dangerous. You know why? Because it can damage your houses, the buildings, or where the eye of the typhoon hits. It will destroy everything. Okay, so hurricane, sandstorm, and typhoon are air causes of this disaster. Okay, so one more time, hurricane, sandstorm, typhoon. Okay, now let's remember. All right, this picture, what is it again? This is a type of air that you use every day to breathe out and to breathe in. What type of air is it? It starts with letter O. It is an oxygen. How about the second picture? What is this? It will break your houses, the trees, the farms, everything. What is it? It starts with letter T. It is a typhoon. Next one. Yes, this one. It's a type of storm. But what type of storm it is? It's a sandstorm. All right. And the last one, it is a hurricane. It's very dangerous. All right. And the last one, this is a wind. All right. So again, class, oxygen, typhoon, sandstorm, hurricane, and wind. Okay, now let's practice more. So direction, how to answer. Write T if the sentence is true about air. Write F if the sentence is not true about the air. So for example, number one, we see the air. That is false. We cannot see the air. All right? We cannot taste the air. The air doesn't have a color. Okay, so we see the air. No, it's not. So it's false. Number two, we can feel the air. Is it true or false? All right, yes, we can feel the air. So that is true. How about for number three? Number three, air is everywhere. Is it true or false? Oh, Okay, so number three, air is everywhere. It is true. How about for number four? Oxygen is an air we use to breathe. True or false? Okay, that is true. So the oxygen is an air we use to breathe. How about for number five? Air cannot cause damage. Is it true or false? Right, the correct answer is false because air can also cause damage. Okay, so that would be all for today, class. I hope you learned something again for today. This is Teacher LM, and I am hoping that you have a great day. Don't forget our portfolio. Goodbye, class. See you tomorrow.